Introducing the RGBWRD, color-changing LED downlights from specialtyLED. The next evolution in indoor lighting. When you need to make your interior spaces more vibrant, or you're setting the mood in a concert or club venue, these dynamic recessed fixtures deliver. Virtually any color is possible using specialtyLED's color-changing technology, and with tunable white LEDs, you can adjust the color temperature to suit any environment. The Downlight is available in 4 sizes and features a durable die-cast aluminum frame with a white finish. The polycarbonate diffuser ensures bright, even illumination. The drivers accept 120-volt input, and the fixture is IP20 rated for indoor use. Installation is a breeze with the included spring clips. This versatile series can be used with either a handheld RF remote and driver combination, or with a driver and addressable DMX controller that connects to a building DMX. Touchpad controller accessories are also available. For more information on this exciting new product, please visit baronltg.com.